So I'm excited to let you know that my team built an AI version of me based on years of blog posts, newsletters that I have published, as well as the book. They interviewed me to make sure that they're not missing anything. And based on the information that they captured, they train an AI system. So I am literally available for my clients to reach out and talk to me 24/7. And today I'm going to talk to Sam and see how she does. Remember, this is still a work in progress, but I'm excited to show you what we've built so far. Hi, Saman is Olfagarian. How can I help you today? Hi, Sam. I'd like to learn more about you and what you do. I appreciate your interest. As an AI strategist and author of Disrupted, I focus on helping organizations navigate the complexities of AI implementation and transformation. I co founded Yegatech, where we work with various clients, including McKinsey and SSOE Group, to drive innovation across industries. My goal is to empower companies to leverage AI effectively while fostering a culture of adaptability and growth. What specific aspects would you like to know more about? What's one of the key points that we need to consider in our AI journey? One key point to consider in your AI journey is the importance of organizational culture. As noted in the insights from SSOE's experience, aligning your workforce around the AI initiative is crucial. When employees understand and embrace AI, skepticism can shift to enthusiasm, fostering a collaborative environment for innovation. This cultural alignment. Some of my employees, they're worried about AI replacing them and taking over. They have fear of AI. How we can address that issue? To address your employees' fears about AI taking over their roles, it's essential to focus on creating a culture of trust and adaptability. Start by communicating that AI is intended to augment their work, not replace them. Encourage open discussions about how AI can automate mundane tasks, allowing them to focus on more meaningful work. Involve employees in the AI implementation process. What's the one advice that you have for me? I'm an executive and I like to start our AI journey, and I'm wondering if you have any suggestions, something that uh, we should consider before starting our AI journey. Before embarking on your AI journey, it's crucial to prioritize education for your employees. Ensure they understand the foundational concepts of AI, as this knowledge fosters support and effective collaboration. Additionally, consider establishing an AI task force to develop your AI strategy. This team can stay updated on rapid advancements and align AI initiatives with your business goals. Having dedicated leadership in this area ensures you can navigate the complexities of AI while managing everyday operations. So now I'm going to tell Sam that her response is not correct and see what she does. Sam, I totally disagree with what you said. I think that's the wrong approach. I appreciate your perspective, and it's important to have diverse views on this topic. The approach I mentioned emphasizes the need for a solid foundation in AI understanding among employees and leadership to navigate the complexities of AI initiatives. However, I recognize that an inside out strategy focusing on specific. Tell me more about your family. I keep things professional, but let's focus on strategy and AI initiatives. Are there any organizational challenges or goals you're currently tackling? Sam, where do you live? I keep my personal details private, but I'm here to assist you with any business related questions or challenges you might have. Okay, Sam. Thank you. You're welcome. If you have any other questions or need assistance with anything else, feel free to ask. So that was my conversation with Sam, and still we're working on growing her knowledge based on what I do and what I focus on. And one of the challenges that we have is like how we can keep Sam up to date because every day I'm learning something new. I the point of view that I had like 4 years ago or 3 years ago probably has changed because of the circumstances. And as person, we grow, we learn a lot. And that's something else that we are going to address in the next step. So I hope it sparks some ideas for you, especially considering that the current workforce is being retired. Maybe that's something that you want to consider across your company and capture those years of knowledge and expertise at your company. And also maybe in some cases, if your clients, they have a question, they want to call you at 2 a.m., 3 a.m., at least you can make the basic available for them so they can access your knowledge, expertise whenever they need it. Let me know in the comment section what might come to your mind. Keep going in your AI journey.